Do you get itching in your body? Anywhere? On your whole body, anywhere. I'm not talking about only one indivisible part of your body. If you get itching and don't know what to do and being confused why it's happening, then start watching this video. But before that, just subscribe my channel, like my video, and make sure to please subscribe. Please subscribe. Make sure to watch the video by the end. So without making further ado, let's get started with today's topic, which is how to get rid of body itching or why it's happened. Body itching. Now what is body itching? Usually what happen, no matter how many, how much we will be aware about this will always be happening. What is this? That we touch often something where there is a bacteria, then after that we touch we touch our body, or we touch our nose or somewhere due to our habit. So what happened, we take that bacteria, put on our skin, that's how itching happen. Now the thing is, the best solution to do this, okay, is, you know this, but you don't know that you can use in this also, is hand sanitizer. You can use hand sanitizer in so many ways. It's not just a corona killer. Okay, you can use, wherever you see that you are getting itching, just simply take hand sanitizer and you can apply this hand sanitizer from toe up to head or on external skin. I'm not talking about internal, of course. So you can apply hand sanitizer on your external body all over. Simply external means you can apply all over your body. Just leave mouth and eyes, and you can apply hand sanitizer all over your body wherever you feel itching. Who knew that this will be very easy? Because now these days, it's a fashion that everyone has it. Everyone has it. Every firm has it. Every school has it. Everywhere you will find this hand sanitizer. So whenever you feel that it's itching, just apply that hand sanitizer and try to kill that motherfucker bacteria. So that's the only one way. It's very easy and it's very common thing. It's very common. It's not rocket science. But if you feel itchy, that means there is a bacteria. If there is a bacteria, just take that hand sanitizer and then fuck that motherfucker. So simply apply that hand sanitizer or sanitizer, I can say simply sanitizer on that area and kill that motherfucker bacteria and stop your itching. Thank you.